Hey guys, please subscribe my channel Bhavya Glam Girl and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update from Bhavya Glam Girl. Hello everyone, welcome to Bhavya Glam Girl and you're watching me Bhavya. So guys, in today's video I will be telling you about 5 wedding season beauty must-haves. So let's get started and watch this video. Whether the bride or her beloved guest, these 5 products will help you look fabulous. Wedding season is officially upon us. Whether you are the bride, maid of honor or just an honored guest, you can trust these wedding day must-haves to keep you looking flawless through the final song on the dance floor. So watch some of these 5 beauty must-haves in this video. Number 1. Illuminate your skin's appearance. Get your skin camera ready with Olay Regenerist Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream. You will have bright, beautiful, healthy looking skin in 2 weeks. Number 2. Smile Perfection. Nothing complements glowing skin like a beautiful smile. Following a short team whitening regimen like Crest 3D White Looks White Strips Supreme Flex Fade will give you a fabulous white smile for every event on your summer calendar. Find yourself as a last minute plus one. No problem, just apply Crest 3D White Strips 1 hour express and half before you head out the door. Number 3. Flawless Foundation. For flawless looking skin, a smooth foundation is a key. Be sure to find one that matches your skin tone exactly. Beauty tip: if you are looking for the right shade, head to your local department store and ask a beauty consultant for assistance. If you are more of a do-it-yourself kind of girl, grab some samples from the beauty counter and test shades along your jawline. This will help assess the color of your face and neck, which tends to be paler. If the color matches, it should disappear right into your skin. Number 4 is all day hair. Dance the night away without worrying about messing up your hair. An extra hold hairspray will keep you looking like you just left the salon. For a 24-hour hold that versatile and brushable, try using Pantene Extra Strong Hold Hairspray. Number 5. Touch Up Backup. It is no secret that weddings can be a little emotional, but nobody wants their mascara to run. Keep a portable pack of tissues close by. Puffs to Go pack is a perfect addition to your clutch for those teary moments and last-minute makeup mishaps. So friends, in today's video, we get to know about 5 wedding season beauty must-have in your daily routine or in your wedding season. If you like my today's video, then give me a huge thumbs up and you can comment me below in the comment section for the beauty queries. Till then, stay happy and stay beautiful with me. Bye.